Hello, my friends. Welcome back to 24/7 Reader Hub. I'm Christopher, and today I'm going to share something powerful with you. It's a 10-minute daily practice, yes, just 10 minutes. This can completely change your English fluency. If you do this every day, your speaking will become faster, your words will come naturally, and you will feel confident every time you speak. I know this sounds simple, but it's not just simple, it's effective. It's powerful. This is the same method many language learners use to go from "I understand, but I can't speak" to "I speak easily and naturally." So if you're ready, let's begin. First, let's talk about why just 10 minutes can change your English. When most people think about improving their language, they imagine long lessons, big textbooks, and grammar exercises. But the truth is, your brain learns language through small, regular contact. Okay. Small, regular contact, not through long, rare study sessions. Your brain needs daily contact with English. Even just 10 minutes a day can be more powerful than one 2-hour class per week. Why? Because your brain stays in English mode. It starts to connect words faster, remembers phrases more easily, and builds speaking confidence naturally. 10 minutes might feel small, but over 1 month, that's 300 minutes of focused practice, 5 hours of English practice. Now, let's talk about the goal of this practice. Many learners focus only on knowing English. They want to understand grammar, memorize words, and pass exams. But fluency is not just about knowing, it's about doing. So the goal of this 10-minute routine is simple. To make English feel natural, to make speaking English feel automatic, to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. And the best part is, you don't need a teacher, a classroom, or expensive courses. You can do this anywhere, at home, in a park, in your kitchen, or even on a bus. Now, here's how you can do it. I'm going to break the 10 minutes into 5 easy steps. You can do all of them together or mix and match. The important thing is, do them every day. Okay. Every single day. Step 1, Input listening. Find something simple in English, a podcast, a YouTube video, or a dialogue. You can use 24/7 Reader Hub podcasts. It should be something you understand at least 80%. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen. Focus on the rhythm, the tone, and how words connect. This trains your ear to think in English and prepares your brain for speaking. Pro tip: choose the same short audio every day for 1 week. Repetition builds fluency faster than new material every day. Step 2, Speak out loud. Now it's time to speak, even if nobody is there. Take a few phrases from what you listen to and say them out loud. Copy the pronunciation, speed, and melody. It might feel strange at first, but this is how your mouth learns. Speaking is a physical skill, like playing piano or riding a bike. Pro tip: don't worry about mistakes. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. Step 3, Personalize. Use what you just learned and make it about you. If the audio said, "I usually wake up early," change it to, "I usually wake up at 7." I usually wake up at 6. Or, I don't usually wake up early on weekends. This step turns passive knowledge into active ability and helps you connect English to your real life. Step 4. Free speaking. Speak freely for 2 minutes without reading or copying. Talk about your day, describe what you see, or explain your plans for tomorrow. The topic doesn't matter. What matters is to speak continuously without stopping. At first, it will be slow, that's okay. The goal is not speed but flow. With time, your sentences will become natural and automatic. Step 5. Reflect and repeat. Spend the last 2 minutes thinking about your practice. Ask yourself, which phrase felt easy? Which words were difficult? What mistakes did I notice? You don't need to write everything down, just think about it. This helps your brain organize and prepare for the next day. Now you might ask, can 10 minutes really help me speak fluently? The answer is yes. Here's why. Repetition builds confidence. Consistency builds memory. Daily speaking builds fluency. Personalization builds connection. The secret is not what you do, it's how often you do it. Before we finish, here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Skipping days, even 5 minutes is better than nothing. 2. Waiting for perfection, start now, even if it's messy. 3. Practicing without emotion, choose topics you love. So, my friends, now you know the secret. It's not a magic app. It's not a perfect textbook. It's not a grammar rule. It's just 10 minutes every single day. Listen. Speak. Personalize. Free talk. Reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you'll feel the difference. If you do it for 1 month, others will notice. And if you do it for 6 months, your fluency will explode. Remember, language is not learned in a classroom. It's built in small, daily moments, in your kitchen, on a walk, or while brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of 24/7 Reader Hub. I'm Christopher, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.